संसदेचो कोयर हाताळणी संदर्भात प्रश्न घेवन मडगांव पालिकेन मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर सावंताची भेट घेतिल्ली. मुखेलमंत्र्याक जाय ते सहकार्य दिवपाचें उतर दिलां म्हण मडगांव पालिकेचे मुख्याधिकारी अजित पंचवाडकरान सांगलां. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
काल तुम्ही काउन्सिला वांगडा तुम्ही मुख्यमंत्र्यांची भेट घेतली आणि संसदे विशयाचेर तुम्ही तांकां कितें मागणी केल्या?
आम्ही म्युनिसिपालिटीची जी पळय इमर्जन्सी मिटींग आशिल्ली तातूंत रेजोल्युशन घेतिल्लें दॅट वी शूड द काउन्सिल शूड इमिडिएटली मीट द हायर ऑथॉरिटी. सो द मोस्ट हायर ऑथॉरिटी इज ऑफकोर्स द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा. So we decided on Monday to pay visit to the Chief Minister along with a request to suggest steps and measures and hold a urgent meeting with various other agencies of the government like Goa Pollution Control Board, Goa Waste Management Corporation, and also to requesting the Chief Minister to hold early meeting of HPCC. Karan, this is a crisis situation. We have to come out of it. We need a solution. And we do not have any expertise. We need the assistance of all these agencies to resolve this issue. And we were very happy with the Chief Minister has assured all the assistance, and he said that urgently the meetings will be taken. And so also the Environment Minister, we were very happy that he also agreed to extend all the cooperation and to resolve the issue at the earliest possible.
संसदो आता जवळजवळ भायर सरपाचोच आसा. फाल्यां त्यांची लास्ट हे आसा, तर हे आता सध्या म्युनिसिपालिटी हे करतली काय म्हणटा, हँडल करतली सध्या?
We have left it to the government. We will be taking further steps in consultation with the government only. But for the time being, as a stopgap arrangement, we will have to do something. Those steps will be discussed with the team now, with my engineers and others. And कसे करचे पडटले until either we go for outsourcing by tendering process or government takes it. It depends on the decision of the government. The decision of the government will be acceptable to the municipality on the terms and conditions as would be suggested or later.